What's going on, Aaron here? Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website right here called FusionCash. Okay, now I'm going to review if FusionCash is a good use of your time. Is it a legit way to make money online, or is it something to just absolutely stay away from? All right, let's check it out. Anytime if you want to get my favorite way to get to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of ways to make money online. Some of them are good, some of them so-so, a lot of them though not that great. Let's check out FusionCash to see whether this is a good use of your time or are there better ways to make money online. All right, now FusionCash has been around for a little while, okay, 5+ years. It is a GPT website. You can come here to do different things like watch videos, you can do different tasks, you can download mobile apps, you can play games, and you can take surveys. Okay, that's the main things that you can do on FusionCash. And the thing about FusionCash is that previously it used to work pretty well. Okay, so you could basically create an account, but you must be based in the US. That's the only thing about FusionCash. This is not a global GPT website. You must be based in the States. You can create an account, and once you create an account, you can literally just come to these different tasks and take part in the surveys. You can watch the videos, you can download the apps, and they will pay you a little bit of money for the effort that you put in. Okay, now on average, a GPT website like FusionCash, if you're spending about 2, 3, 4 hours a day on the website, will pay you out roughly about $1 to $2. Okay, so this is certainly not a way to get rich. This is just a website that offers you free things like games and videos and downloading offers and filling out surveys. That's the main way. And they pay you a little bit of money for the effort that you put in, okay? So a lot of GPT websites out there like FusionCash, but for some strange reason, recently, FusionCash has been having a lot of problems, okay? So been reading a lot of reports on people not being able to withdraw their money. A lot of people are getting their accounts banned just for tapping on something wrong. Some people will actually get to the threshold amount, which is quite high, by the way. Their threshold is $25, which is really, really high for a GPT website. Most GPT websites are $5 to $10 only for you to withdraw, mainly through PayPal, right? These guys is $25. That's more than 2.5 times the industry average, which is pretty crazy actually. So people will get to $25 now and they can't withdraw their money, okay? Support doesn't respond to anything. So I don't know what's going on with FusionCash, but it sounds like they are, kind of, leaving the building. It looks like this business is crashing and they are just not doing a very, very good job at all. So I would stay away from FusionCash. If we just go to Trustpilot, which is a third-party website, you'll see here FusionCash. You can see that the most recent reviews are all 1-star. Okay, really, really bad. All right, so I'm just gonna have a look at the 1-star reviews, and it's basically everything that I mentioned earlier. They are really not doing well. I got banned from taking tap research surveys because they said I did something fraudulent. I sent them a message asking what I did wrong and no response. Pretty sad and pathetic customer service. I did nothing wrong and deserve an explanation. So pretty normal, okay? So they're basically, it looks like they're using every single excuse to ban users to get them off the platform. It's like they want people to get out of the platform rather than stay on the platform. It's almost like an exit scam. Okay, they've been operating for a while now. They've made a decent amount of money, and people have been doing work for them, and now they just don't want to pay anyone, so they're just kind of pretending to ban people. It's really, really weird, right? Using all the different kinds of excuses, right? Bad and cheap service. They lowered that amount that you can earn through the signups. Also, they took the bonus from clicking websites away, so they're changing things, right? This company is becoming greedy with their cheap service that they offer. I would be embarrassed as a customer to continue using their site. Okay, I have a payout pending. I can access some of the site through Firefox. That's limited. I'm afraid they are down. I will not get my payout, which is scheduled to happen after December 20th. Okay, so again, was blocked. Wasn't able to withdraw. This company scams people. They owed $48 and refused to pay me because I updated my profile, which many companies allow you to do with no problem. So they wanted proof of who I was even after my home address, cell phone number, and email were all verified. They are stupid little excuses not to pay, so it's best to not get involved with them. Bad company, okay? So they're all pretty much like that, okay? It sounds like FusionCash is doing some sort of exit scam. They don't want to be in business anymore. Again, people are putting in a lot of work. They owe a lot of money to people, and they're just using every single excuse to not pay out. So what I would do is I would stay away from FusionCash if I were you. They used to be an okay GPT website, pretty standard stuff, but right now they're going through something and they're just not paying people at all. They're banning people. So I think that they will be gone very, very soon. So I would just completely stay away from this particular GPT website. Just be very, very careful with them. All right. Now, if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you are looking for a way to make money online, right? Now on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds of different strategies to do that. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. And out of all the good ones, I still think that there is one strategy that makes sense for, you know, the average person to get real results from. You can learn to go from zero. Maybe you've never made money online before. You might want to check this out. This is the exact strategy that I used to quit my full-time job in 2019. If you want access to that, just click the link below and I'll be happy to give you access to that if you want to check it out. All right. I wish you all the best. Good luck. Don't, you know, FusionCash is a waste of time, and I hope to see you on another video review. Take care.